So my name is Debbie and I'm from Ottolenghi. We currently have 10 sites. We have a new one opening in September in Edinburgh. So we've implemented Tenzo back in January and we've started our journey building our dashboards and getting all the data collated because that was something we didn't have prior to Tenzo. One of the challenges we've found is sometimes people want to be able to interrogate certain pieces of data, but it's not necessarily been developed within Tenzo because you can't have every single possibility. And I think what this now gives us is that opportunity to, rather than have to ask Tenzo to develop the specific filters that we need, we can just ask the MCP and the MCP will tell us the answer. It's all about its business performance and giving the business insights into what can they actually do to make the business improve. It might be something along the lines of what's my spend per head and what ideas could you give me to increase my spend per head. Things that are really going to be tangible. Tenzo is great with its dashboards and its cards, but if you're not a person that can then interpret that data and understand what is it actually telling you, that's where the MCP will be a real benefit because it will help people to understand those data points. Logbooks is something that we're just starting to roll out, and I'm quite excited about how that will then transpire into the MCP for an ops manager to then be able to pull all that information in without having to go and read 10 different ops reports every single day. That's going to be game changing. Being able to bring all of that data together and again, not having to look at a report or a dashboard or send spreadsheets out or any of the things that hospitality has done for as long as I've been in hospitality. Just ask the question directly. Understand what it is that you want to know. What problem are you trying to solve so that you can then be really specific in your questioning. Take it slowly, test it, make sure that you're happy with it before giving it out to your users. We don't need to overburden our GMs any more than they already are.